Have you ever wondered why some people achieve their dreams while others seem stuck in a cycle of unfulfilled aspirations? The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale holds the answer. This groundbreaking book takes you on an enlightening journey into the human mind, revealing a secret that has the power to transform lives. As the author unlocks the truth, we become what we think about. Earl Nightingale, a renowned motivational speaker and radio host, doesn't just explain the principle, he teaches you how to harness it, control it, and use it as a compass to navigate the vast ocean of life's opportunities. With The Strangest Secret as your guide, you are about to embark on a transformative journey that will change your perspective on success and personal fulfillment. This life-changing book is a profound exploration of the principle that our thoughts shape our reality. So stick with us till the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of the powerful revelations from the book. Let us dive deeper into the insightful lessons from the book now. The book opens with an intriguing paradox. The most valuable aspects of our lives, such as our minds, souls, hopes, dreams, ambitions, and love for family and friends, come to us free of charge. To illustrate, imagine a priceless diamond that you possess, which represents your mind. This diamond is capable of cutting and shaping anything you desire, but often we use it to cut glass instead of other diamonds. Nightingale encourages us to use this diamond, that is our mind, for bigger tasks such as shaping other diamonds instead of mundane jobs like cutting the glass. He urges us to plant our goals in our minds, akin to a farmer sowing seeds in a field, emphasizing that this is the most pivotal decision we will ever make. Nightingale employs the metaphor of a ship to underscore the importance of having a distinct goal. Consider two ships, one with a planned voyage and competent crew, and other without a crew or destination. The first ship, with its course charted out, will reach its destination almost every time. This is akin to a person who has a clear, concrete goal in mind. They are likely to achieve their goal because their thoughts and actions are directed towards it. On the other hand, the ship without a crew or destination is likely to sink or end up stranded, much like a person without a goal, whose life is likely to be filled with confusion, anxiety, and worry. The author asserts that the human mind is like a fertile piece of land. It doesn't discriminate between the seeds we plant. It will nurture and grow whatever we sow. If we plant seeds of success, we will reap success. And if we plant seeds of failure, we reap failure. This principle is as unchanging and reliable as the laws of gravity. Nightingale also discusses the importance of controlling our thoughts. Just as a driver controls a car, we must control our thoughts. The same law that can lead us to a destination of success can also lead us to a destination of failure if we let our thoughts wander off the road. He encourages readers to pay the price of success by becoming the person they aspire to be, arguing that this is less difficult than living a life of unfulfilled potential. The book concludes with a practical 30-day action plan for implementing the strangest secret in our lives. Nightingale advises readers to write down their most desired goal on a card and look at it multiple times a day, much like a reminder or a to-do list. He assures readers that the answer to achieving their goal will come to them organically once they know where they are going, much like how a traveler finds his way when he knows his destination. In summary, The Strangest Secret is a compelling guide that underscores the power of our thoughts and how they can be harnessed to create the life we desire. It emphasizes the importance of setting clear goals, maintaining a positive mindset, and taking control of our thoughts to steer our lives towards success. The book serves as a reminder that we are the captains of our lives, and the course we chart is determined by what we plant in the fertile soil of our minds. This brings us to the end of this video. We hope that you have grabbed some valuable lessons from the video, and if you did, then please hit on the like and share this video so maximum people can benefit from the life-changing principles of The Strangest Secret. Lastly, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such insightful videos, and we will see you in the next video.